Hey guys, today I'm going to be demonstrating for you this YerYork portable high pressure washer system. So this item was gifted to me to do this video, and you know me, that's what I'm going to do. So I've already assembled this. It was drop dead easy to assemble, just a few screws to put it together. What I really want to show you is how it works. So I've got my mom's car here. It's been sitting for a while. It's really dusty and I want to wash it. So let's go ahead and get this baby in operation and let's just see what it can do. Turn the water on here. Just press it in and then turn it. And you can see there, I do not have a whole lot of hose pressure here. My water pressure is very low. Now it has several nozzles here. We got 0, 15 degrees, 25, and 40. So 0 is going to be tight. I'm going to start with the 25. And we'll just put that nozzle on right there. Okay. Okay. Now that's not very loud. That's not very much. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay. There we go. Let's try a different nozzle here. Let's try the 0 degree one and see what it does. All right. Whoa. Okay, buddy. Clean some stuff off. Get those bugs off. All right, let's try the 15 degree. That's pretty nice. Let's try the 40 degree. For high pressure washing, I kind of like the 15 degree for doing the tires. So I'm going to do those with that. Well guys, you can see as my porch here, pretty dirty, got a lot, it's brown, it's not gray. Kids have done a lot of chalk drawings on it. It needs a good spray off. So we're going to use this to deep clean this concrete, get it down back to original. Okay, so when washing the car, I had it on minimum because you know you don't want to hit your car or paint, you don't want to damage your paint job and stuff. You don't want to use, but now I'm going to go to maximum. Okay, so let's see what it does on maximum pressure. All right guys, so there you go, nice and clean. The next day I worked until dark on it and got it really clean, cleaner than it's ever been before. and the sprayer, even at high pressure, the sprayer just kept on going and did a great job. For my final test, I'm going to be getting the algae and stuff out of this bird bath. So this stuff's on here tough, man. You have to scrub it off with a steel wool brush. Let's see how well this power washer does against this hard stuck on algae. Wow, it has been years since this bird water has been that clean. I have spent hours out here with scrubbers trying to scrub that stuff off. This power washer just blew it off. It is as clean as it has ever been. It is now as clean as when it brand new came. It might be cleaner than when it came from the store. I mean, that algae's hard to get off, guys. I'm telling you, I have scrubbed this thing. You can see my scrape marks, rocks, sand, steel brush. It just took it off, no problem. I am super impressed. This is a lot of work, and throughout the summer here in Texas when it's hot, I have to do this on a weekly basis to keep the water clean for my birds. Now, less than a minute, I can have this thing super clean. Wow. Well, guys, that's the best demonstrations I can give you of how good this thing works. It washed my car, washed my porch, and literally blew the algae off of that bird bath like it was nothing. All right, guys, well, I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.